In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out using mouse, tablet, keyboard, and the toolbar. Whether you're reviewing details or getting a broader view of your canvas or viewer, mastering zoom will make your workflow faster and more precise. I'll walk you through each option so you can pick the one that fits your setup and switch between them confidently. Let's start with the mouse shortcut. Place your cursor over the area you want to focus on, then hold down the Alt key. While keeping Alt pressed, click and hold the middle mouse button. This is usually the scroll wheel when pressed down, and drag. Dragging in one direction will zoom in, and dragging in the opposite direction will zoom out. This method gives you a very fluid, controlled zoom. If your mouse supports it, holding the wheel down counts as the middle button. If you don't see any response, make sure your mouse's middle button is enabled in your system preferences or device software. If you're working on a tablet or with a pen, the motion is the same but adapted for the pen button. Hold Alt, then press and hold the pen button that's assigned to the middle mouse action and drag to zoom. Most tablet drivers let you map one of the pen buttons to middle click. Double check that mapping if the zoom doesn't kick in. Keep your strokes short and steady for fine adjustments, and remember that the zoom will center around where your cursor or pen tip is. Now for a quick no mouse option, use the keyboard. Press the plus key to zoom in and the minus key to zoom out. This is great for consistent incremental changes without moving your hand from the keys. Try a few taps in a row to gently step closer or farther and use it when you want predictable zoom increments. Finally, the toolbar option is perfect when you prefer a dedicated tool. Select the zoom tool, the magnifying glass icon, from the viewer toolbar. With it active, click on the canvas to zoom in at the spot you clicked, or click and drag to define an area and zoom straight into that region. This is especially handy for targeting a specific detail with precision. Use whichever method feels most natural for the task at hand. Alt plus middle drag for smooth control, the pen equivalent for tablet workflows, keyboard for reliable increments, and the zoom tool when you want a precise click or drag focus. With these shortcuts in your toolkit, you'll navigate your canvas faster and work more comfortably.